Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Wesley Milestone 15.6-inch laptop backpack. This is not exactly an unboxing, more like an unwrapping rather. Well, you more or less can see what the bag looks like. I'm just going to remove this plastic cover and give you a better look. There you are. This is what it looks like. It has a nice cloth fabric on top, looks like denim fabric, and dark blue tone as well. I'll give you a closer look at the fabric design. There you go. So cloth fabric all the way, almost entirely cloth material. There is one large zipper which is for the laptop. There's a smaller zip over here like that, and there are a couple of pouches in here as well. So the smaller zip, you can carry stuff like notebooks, and you can also, there are these smaller pouches that you see, the 1 and 2. These can be used to carry your pen and other stationery like so. I'm going to put them in and show them over here. Now we have this one little thing. There are these 2 additional pouches on the side, so you can use them to carry water bottles, you can use them to carry hand sanitizer bottles, anything of your choice, you can carry it here. Now let's take a look at the larger zip. So there you are. This is what the interior looks like. I'll give you a closer look. This is what the insides look like. This is a smaller pouch for you can carry your smartphone here like so, or you can also carry a notebook should you feel like it. There's enough space for in this pouch. This is of course the primary pouch. This is what will carry your laptop. I'm going to put one laptop here. This is a 15.6-inch laptop that I have with me. I'm going to just put this in. There you go, very gently. Let me do it properly. It's a very large and chunky laptop. Additionally, you have this Velcro strap that you can use to, make sure that this laptop doesn't fall out. You still have this much space in the bag still left over. You can put the laptop charger in and carry stuff like a headphone or something like that. Yeah, so that's about it. I'm with the closing line. And that's it. This is what you find inside this bag. Thank you for watching.